Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making 7 different Valentine's Day gifts. I hope you guys can find here something that you like and you'll use the ideas to make some presents. Before I will show you how to make all of these things, it's time for a shoutout. Today I would like to say hi to Beautiful Mint, Wejsawer R, Lena Trzeciak, Nadia Szubarga, Julka Szkasilciątko, Niebieska Truskawka, and Patrycja Wygnalska. If you want to get a shoutout in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and write a comment with a notification squad hashtag. So now let's move on to the video. First I will make a love card with colorful hearts jumping out of it. To make it you will need a thick paper, fold it in half, now cut a heart shape from papers in different colors. Cut strips that are about the same height, like the middle of the heart. Stick the hearts together like this. Now glue the heart that is in the back to the inside of your card. You can write some things on each heart to make it even nicer. Decorate the front of your card. I'm drawing the same heart like it's inside, and I'm using cyan adhesive pearls. Second gift idea will be perfect if you and your friend have the same phones. You will need 2 phone cases and some Eva foam. I'm using a glitter silver foam. Draw 2 connected puzzles. And cut them out. Use acrylic paints to paint faces. Once the paint is dry, use super glue to stick the first puzzle on the phone case. Now put the other phone case straight next to the first one. This way you will see where to glue the second puzzle. And it's done! This next gift idea is very easy and fast. Take an empty jar and fill it with layers of different candies. Now just decorate the lid. Use a double-sided tape to stick a ribbon to it. To make a bow, place a small piece of tape in the middle of ribbon and stick the ends to it. Decorate the middle of your bow and you're done! Everyone who likes candies will love this gift. And now it's time for some slime for Valentine's Day. People love slime, so why not make it as a gift? Pour some clear glue in a bowl. Add red food coloring and some glitter. Mix it well. And then add your activator. I'm using borax, and it's 1 teaspoon of borax mixed in a cup of water. Mix it until you'll get a slime. Put it in a container and decorate the lid. I'm sticking some hearts to it. Leave it for a few days and then the slime should be clear. I love this slime, it looks so nice. The next gift you can make is very easy. It's this chocolate heart. To start it, you will need some chocolate, melt it, and now place a baking paper on a cutting board. And slowly pour on it your melted chocolate. Make a heart shape. Decorate it with candies and crushed cookies, whatever you like. put it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. When the chocolate is hard, wrap it in the food wrap and secure it with a hard sticker. And it's done! How about making a heart shaker as a Valentine's Day gift? You will need a hard plastic sheet and cut 2 heart shapes out of it. Use hot glue to make a border on one of them. Let the glue dry and then do it again and again until your border will be a few millimeters high. Cut away any bumps and now place inside of the heart some small objects and glitter. Add some glue to the water, mix it well, and pour the water into the heart. It's good to use syringe to do that, to avoid spilling water. Now hot glue the second heart. And don't move it yet. First, add some more glue to the sides, making sure that all the holes are closed. Let it dry. Cut away any bumps. And then smooth the sides with more hot glue and the end of your hot glue gun. And it's done! It's so relaxing to look at the glitter flow inside of it. The last gift idea I have for you is a plastic keychain. You will need a shrinking plastic, or you can use a plastic container that is marked with number 6. Draw a picture on the paper, make it about 7 times bigger than the keychain you want to get. Use black permanent marker to trace it on your plastic. And cut it out, leaving few millimeters on the sides. Now color it inside using permanent markers too. When you're done, bake it for 2 to 3 minutes in 165 Celsius degrees. Look how it's shrinking. Take it out, and if it's not straight, just press it down a little bit. Make sure to ask an adult to help you with that project. Now put it on a keychain and give it to your friend. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up and see you soon. Bye!